I hope you understood how exactly so we are using cloud. What is the cloud? Okay, fine. So fine. So today our agenda is how exactly we are going to be sign up. How exactly we are going to be sign up into AWS account and how exactly we can able to create an AWS instance. So that is exactly we're going to be experience for today. Not very clear all of it. So first let it be write down. Let it brief this one. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Anyway, so let me getting into AWS. Please wait. Yes, please. So please be. So create a new account. Just click on create new account. Just create a new account. Just create. Thank you. So please provide your credentials. Just please provide your credentials. Username, password, confirm password, account name, and continue. Then the next step would be please. So is it audible, Mohammed? Is it clarified, please? Is my voice is clear? Is my voice is clear, all of you, please? Something breaking, that's what, yeah, clear. Yeah, but let it be. So this is internet speed, that's what, nothing else. So what exactly, please? What is the agenda, please? So today, so we are going to be, so let it be right first. So let me show you, please. Create AWS account. Create AWS EC2 instance. And so getting into EC2 instance is nothing but a server. So create an AWS account and create an AWS instance is nothing but a server. Then getting into AWS EC2 instance by git bash. Please. And then please, so we're going to be experiencing how to install the software. How to install software. How to install software, guys. This is an agenda for today's session. It is an exactly our agenda for today's session, guys. This is an exactly today our session, guys. Okay. So what are the first step, please? Anybody help me? Just Google it. Just Google it. Just Google it. So AWS console. AWS console. AWS console. And just click on this very first link. Click on very first link. Click on very first. And you can able to please. You can able to click on complete sign up. But for you maybe create an account. So you can able to see here option called create a new account. Create new account. And if it is scroll down, you can able to see these details. You can able to see these details. Please provide details. Give any name, please. So please provide any name like any email address, working email address. So Maha, anything, Maha at the rate of something, gmail.com. Password, confirm password, account name, and continue. Totally how many steps to complete, guys, please? Totally 5 steps. Totally 5 steps. So after filling the details, the next step would be full details. Please provide your email address, company details, or communication address. That is exactly the second step. What about third step, please? Payment gateway. Please provide your debit card details or credit card details. After verifying your payment detail by deducting 2 rupees from your account, then your phone number verification. Your phone number verification. After successfully verifying phone number by choosing a basic plan, the account will be successfully registered. This account will be activated within 24 hours. The account will be activated within 24 hours. That's it. After successfully activated, we can able to getting into the AWS account and we can able to access. Okay. So who are all can't able to do it, please, by following this document, you can able to register. Got it very clear. So I'm already shared this Google Drive. So by following this document, you can able to register, guys. By following this document, you can able to register, please. So click on AWS console. So create new account. So fill the details. And payment gateway and phone number verification. That's it. You have successfully registered. So I'm sharing this Google Drive. Please do it. I'm sharing this Google Drive. Please do it, guys, please. I hope everybody research this Google Drive, please. Fine. Let it be, please. Okay. After successfully sign up, we can able to logging into AWS. After successfully sign up, we can able to getting into the AWS by providing username and password. And so before password, please be provide the security. Please provide the security, please. Please provide the security. And then you can able to provide username and password. Yes. So after successfully logging into the AWS account, you can able to see this dashboard. It is a service. We can able to see this dashboard, please. If you click on this, you can able to see EC2 instance. EC2 instance. By choosing this EC2, what is an EC2? Everybody help me. What is the meaning of EC2, please? What is the meaning of EC2, please? Anybody? Elastic Cloud Compute. Elastic Cloud Compute is nothing but a EC2. What is E in the sense of what? Elastic. E in the sense of what? Elastic. That means if we can able to, if based on the customer load, we can able to increase or decrease our infrastructure. Based on the customer load, our infrastructure will be increase or decrease. That is an exactly elastic. And what is the meaning of compute? Is nothing but RAM, CPU, whatever maybe. The cloud is nothing but an internet. Over an internet, we can able to get infrastructure. That infrastructure we can able to scale up and scale down, increase or decrease is nothing but a elastic. The combination of E, C, C, that's what we calling as EC2. 1E, 2 Cs. 1E, 2 season. That is exactly we calling as an EC2. That is exactly we calling as an EC2. Understood very clearly, all of you, please. Clear. Can you reply, all of you, please? Anybody, please reply. By using EC2, please. By using EC2, we can able to get a scalable computing capacity. By using EC2, we can able to get a scalable compute capacity. Scalable compute capacity without paying anything, without paying upfront amount, we can able to get a service very fast, and we can able to deploy our application and very fastly. we can able to launch as many as few virtual machines as you need it. We can able to launch as many as and few virtual machines you need it. Got it very clear, all of it. But let us compare with the basic computer with an EC2. Let me compare with, yeah, we are configuring server. Yes, exactly, you're right. Let me compare with an EC2 server with a basic computer, please. In your computer, what are the components we have, guys, please? Operating system, CPU, hard disk, RAM, firewall, NIC card. Got it very clear. The same kind of components available in EC2 also. The same kind of components available in EC2 also. So here we calling as an operating system, but in AMI, in EC2 instance, what we calling as, please? AM, Amazon Machine Memory. In your desktop, we calling as a CPU, but in your AWS, what we calling as, please? Instance type. Instance type. Here we calling as a hard drive. Here we calling as a EBS. Here we calling as a EBS. EBS. Here we calling as RAM. Here also we calling as a RAM. Here we calling as a firewall. Here we calling as a security group. Here we calling as a NIC card. Here we calling as a IP addressing. IP addressing. I hope you understood very just we are comparing with their basic computer with our EC2 instance. With our EC2 instance. EBS is nothing but a hard disk. Your laptop has a hard disk or not? Your laptop has hard disk or not? Your laptop has a hard disk or not? Yeah. Elastic block storage. EBS is nothing but elastic block storage. Clear all of it, please? Yeah. Shall we start creating instance or not? How can you able to, please? After successfully sign up and sign in AWS account. Okay, so by choosing the services, we can able to create a AWS instance, AWS EC2 instance, AWS EC2 instance. So services, click on services and click on EC2. Click on an EC2, guys, please. Click on an EC2. After successfully sign up and sign in, Raj, look at. I think you are Raj. Okay, please. So after successfully sign up and sign in, look at Raj one more time. Service in EC2. And launch instance. Please click on launch instance. If you click on launch instance, we can able to create a instance. Instance is nothing but a server. Instance equal to server, please. If I am calling instance means what? Server. Please remember this. The terminology I'm using here, instance. This launch instance. That means I'm going to be creating a server. With the help of which are all the components? So these are all the components. By choosing these are all the components, I can able to create a server in AWS. By choosing these are all the components, I can able to create a server in AWS. How can you, please? What are the first step, please? I'm going to be choosing AMI. AMI in the sense of what, please? Anybody help? AMI in the sense of what, please? AMI in the sense of what? Operating system or not? AMI is nothing but an operating system or not, please? So I'm going to be choosing which kind of operating system. I can able to choose Linux, Windows, or Mac, anything. You can choose any kind of operating system. So Amazon Linux machine you can able to choose, Red Hat machine you can able to choose, Windows machines we can able to choose, or else Ubuntu Linux. Let me choose Ubuntu Linux. Let me choose Ubuntu Linux. So let us filter Ubuntu, and if we scroll down, you can able to find Ubuntu 16 server. Ubuntu Linux machine I'm going to be choosing. It's nothing but a Ubuntu operating system I'm going to be choosing. So I have a chosen operating system or not? Then so you can able to see instance type. Instance type in the sense of what? The instance type is nothing but CPU plus memory. The combination of CPU, the combination of CPU plus RAM, we calling as a instance type. We calling as a instance type. Here we calling as a T2 micro. So T2 nano, whatever. But so the T2 micro is a free trial. The T2 micro comes under free trial. The T2 micro comes under free trial. The T2 micro comes under free trial, guys, please. Got it very clearly. Up to 750 hours. The 750 hours will be renewal for every month. The 750 hours renewal for every month, please. Got it very clearly. So by helping of this T2 micro, we can able to practice. We can able to complete our practice, either AWS or anything. Got it very clearly. Then, so let me choose one core CPU, 1 GB RAM, and let it be configured. Let it be configured. So if you want to create any instance, any server, if you want to create any server, please. So first we require a network. Without network, we can't able to create any machine, even my laptop also. Even my laptop also, we can't able to exist without network. If you want to conduct this online session, do you require a network or not? Do you require a network or not? Definitely. The same way, that is meaning what I'm trying to tell you, please. So if you want to launch instance, first we require a VPC. If you want to launch EC2 instance, first we require a VPC. So the VPC is nothing but a network. So whenever I sign up AWS account, automatically this default network is available. This default network is available. This default network is available. I'm going to be choosing this default network. On top of this network, I'm going to be creating an EC2 instance. But very clearly. So I'm going to be choosing default network column, VPC. On top of this default network, I'm going to be creating an AWS EC2 instance. Understood very clearly, all of you, please. Okay. So let me create EC2 instance on default network. So here we have a 4 data centers, guys. 4 data centers. 4 data centers. So 2A, 2B, 2C. 2A, 2B, 2C. These are all we're calling as the data centers. On top of these data centers, we're going to be creating, we're going to be creating infrastructure. We can able to take a servers from these data centers, guys. These data centers are existing physically. These data centers are exist physically. Please look like this. This data center exists physically. These data centers are exist physically. Got it very clear, Lalo. Okay. So, but these data centers, what we call, please? These data centers which we calling as a availability zone. These data centers we calling here is availability zones. These 4 data centers are available. in Oregon region. The AWS is globally expanded. The AWS is globally expanded in a region wide. In a region wide. So Oregon, Ohio, so Oregon, so Mumbai, Hong Kong. So in India we have a Mumbai region. So got it very clearly. And each and every region we have a different kinds of data centers. Got it very clearly. The AWS is globally expanded. AWS is globally expanded their infrastructure in a region wide. In a
recording in progress.
In a region wide. In a region wide, please. Region wide, guys, please. And each and every region we have a data centers. So I'm going to be choosing 2-year data center. On top of the 2-year data center, please. So I'm going to be getting hard disk called 8 GB of hard disk EBS volume. Elastic block storage volume I'm going to be getting. I'm going to be getting elastic block storage volume that we are calling as a hard disk. Please. Got it very clearly up to right now, please. Up to right now, do you have any question? Please reply. Up to right now, please. Please. Got it very clearly, please. Understood very clearly. So I'm going to be one question, please. Is it a cloud or no? What are the cloud? Anybody help me? If we can able to access the remote placed resources, over an internet. Got it very clearly. The remote placed resources, if we can able to access over an internet from a laptop, is nothing but a cloud or no? Is nothing but a cloud or no? So the remote place is in Oregon or US West or yes. The remote place have you successful accessing a resources called maybe hard disk, CPU, RAM, operating system. So are we getting an accessing or no? These are all the resources available in my laptop or in the cloud. So which I'm choosing, these are all the components, these are all the resources, these are all the infrastructure available in the cloud or else in my laptop. Please reply quickly. Please reply. In the cloud. So am I accessing the remote place resources accessing over an internet from a laptop or not? Is nothing but a cloud or not? Yes, obviously it's a cloud. But I want to name this server, please. I'm going to be creating a server. That means I'm going to be giving a name for the server. What are the server name? Any name, please. I want to make it is my web server. I want to make this as a web server. I want to make it as a web server, please. It's a name. It's a tag name of a server. Nothing else is there. And let it be security. Security is nothing but what? Firewall. In a laptop we have a firewall or not? The same way here we calling as a firewall. The helping of the security group. Firewall is nothing but a security group. By helping of the security group, we can able to write rules and regulations. Who can access? Who cannot access? We're going to be writing a rules and regulations. So by using SSH, by default security group is SSH. By using this SSH, we can able to logging into our instance and we can able to install the software. SSH in the sense of what? Secure shell. By using SSH, we can able to log in from one Linux machine to another Linux machine. By logging, we can able to install the software. I'll repeat, listen very carefully. SSH is nothing but a secure shell. By helping of SSH, we can able to log in from one Linux machine to another Linux machine. After logging, we can able to install the software, please. But who can able to access? Anybody. From anywhere in the world, we can able to access. That means anywhere. In anywhere in the world, is my laptop is there or not? In anywhere in the world, is my laptop is there or not, please? Can you reply please? Definitely. That is the reason I can able to logging into the server from my laptop. Yes. But what exactly you want to make this server, please? Anybody help me? I want to make it as a web server or not? I want to make it as a web server or not, please? Tell me quickly. I want to make it as a web server or not? Yes. That means we need to open one more role called HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. By helping of this protocol, I can able to access our web server over an internet. That is nothing but a HTTP. So who can access? From anywhere in the world. From anywhere in the world, we can able to hit this server. Yes. So by helping of these are all the configurations, I'm going to be launch this instance. And before launching this instance, I want to clarify with you how can able to authenticate, how can able to logging into this instance by using username password. Yes, we can. The same way we can able to log in, we can able to authenticate it by using key pair also. What are the key pair? The key pair is nothing but a public key and private key. Public key, private key. Yeah, anywhere from anybody. That is the security key. Who can access, who cannot access? Who can access, who cannot access? That is the reason. From where we can able to access the servers. Anywhere means anywhere in the world, from any laptop. You can able to access, I also can able to access if I have a credential. That's it. So but by using this key pair, we can able to log in this. By using this key pair, we can able to log in. That is very clear. But if it is the first time, if you are a new, please, if you are new to this, first time you're going to be creating instance or a server in AWS, please be use new key pair. Please be generate a new key pair. So by choosing new key pair, we can able to ask key pair name, any name, please. You can able to give any key pair name, please. Maybe my test key 1 2 3 5. Give any name. So with this name, I'm going to be downloading key pair. Key pair is nothing but two: private key, public key. Private key in your laptop, public key in your server side. By helping of authenticating private key with public key, then only we can able to getting into the cloud machine. Or else we can't. Please be download this key pair. Please download this key pair. Please be download this key pair. Yes, it has successfully downloaded the key pair or not? The key pair has been downloaded into this file or not? Yes, obviously it is. Then I'm going to be launch this instance. Just click on this instance. Click on launch this instance. So with these are all the components, please. AMI, instance ID, EBS, RAM, security, IP addressing. By using these are all the resources, am I creating a server in the cloud or not? Is this server is creating in the cloud and my laptop? Is the server in the cloud in the laptop or not? Is the server in the cloud or in the laptop, please? In the cloud. Yes. Yes, sir. Reply. If I'm asking any question, please be reply, guys. Got it. Have you successfully created a server in the cloud or not? Yes. But what is this exactly? AWS console. By helping of this AWS console, we can able to interact. We can able to interact our cloud infrastructure. So we can able to create a server, network, a database, storage, anything in the cloud. So over an internet from a laptop by helping of this AWS console. By helping of this AWS console. So have you successfully created a server in AWS or not? Yes, obviously we have done it. We have successfully created it. We have successfully created a AWS instance, or we calling it a server in the cloud. But how can able to getting into this? How can able to getting into this, please? Tell me. Please tell me quickly. So Linux to directly we can able to log in Linux to Linux, Windows to Windows, but not possible directly. Windows to Linux is directly not possible. Linux to Linux, we can able to log in from one Linux machine to another Linux machine very easy. But Windows to Linux directly it's not possible. Got it very clear, all of it. But is my laptop is Windows machine or not? Is my laptop is Windows machine or not? Yes. Is my laptop is Windows machine or not? Yes. Okay. But my machine, my cloud machine is in Linux environment. My laptop is Windows environment. My server is cloud machine is Linux environment. But how can I able to log in? How can I able to getting into this machine? That is the reason, please, we should be install third-party tools like Putty or Git bash. Let it be installed a Git for Windows. Please type in the Google Git for Windows. Yes. Git for Windows. Please double click on very first link. Please double click on very first link. Double click on very first link. Just click on 64-bit and it will be download.exe file. After successfully downloading .exe file, double click, run, next, finish. And automatically Git bash will be installed in your laptop. By helping of Git bash, we can able to log in any Linux machine. It's a Linux terminal. It's a Linux terminal. It's a Linux terminal, please. Let it be downloaded. Let it be downloaded. Let it be downloaded. Just after successfully downloading, please double click. Test to continue. Next, finish. It will be installing Git in your laptop or not? Yes, obviously. After successfully installing Git bash, in your laptop, then we can able to log in into the cloud machine. Please let it be installed. Let it be installed, guys. Please. Let it be installed, please. Let it be installed. Okay, that's it. So have you successfully installed Git bash in a laptop or not? Yes. Then what next, please? Then we can able to getting into this. We can able to getting into the cloud server by helping of Git bash. After successfully installing Git bash in a laptop, if you right click, you can able to see this option, Git bash. After successfully installing Git bash, if you right click, you can able to see this option. Very clear. So where exactly I have downloaded a PEM file, you can able to open the Git bash. Here, we have downloaded a PEM file or not? Right click, copy this PEM file. So please be pasted in the desktop. So this is exactly my canonence. This is for only my canonence, or else we can able to keep this PEM file any location in laptop. Then where exactly PEM file, just right click Git bash, and it will be open the Linux terminal. It is an exactly Linux terminal. By helping of this Linux terminal, we can able to getting into the cloud machines. Very clear. But how can I please choose any server? Which server you want to log in, please? Which server you want to log in, please? Anybody help me? I want to log in with my web server. I want to log in with my web server. Just click on choose which server you want to getting into that, please. Select tick mark and connect, please. And please choose SSH. Please choose SSH connection and please copy SSH command. Please copy SSH command and please where exactly PEM file located, right click Git bash and paste the link. That's it. Paste the command. Paste the command and hit the button. Hit the enter button. That's it. So please just to continue. That's it. So are we getting into the cloud server or not? If we executing any command, please, so it will be performed on a cloud server but not on the laptop. For every new server, we need to update first. How can I please? Apt-get update. That's it. Apt-get update. After successfully updating default software from internet to into the server, we can able to install anything. For example, I want to make this server as a web server. For that, I'm going to be installing Apache. By executing this command, we can able to install web server. Please S2 continue. Have you successfully installed or not? Have you successfully installed or not? Please tell me. Yes. So whether it is installed or not, so shall we verify? How can able to verify? Each and every server has public IP, private IP, public IP. By using this public IP, we can able to access web server over an internet. Clear, all of you? Understood? Up to you. Clear, all of you? Clear, understood very clearly. Clear. Can you reply in the chat box quickly, please? Yeah. So do you want me to repeat one more time? Do you want me to repeat one more time? Creating a server in the cloud. Yeah. I'm going to be repeat it one more time, please. If you don't want this server, please. If you don't want this server, please be terminate or else stop. Stop or terminate. So I'm going to be terminate this meeting. I'm going to be terminate. I don't want to use this server. I don't want to use this servers, please. I'm going to be terminate. I'm going to be terminating this. Okay. Terminate means what exactly? The completely losing it. We never ever get back the server. Stop means what exactly? We're stopping the server. We can able to start again. We can able to practice. That is the meaning of that. Please. Clear, please. After successfully sign up and sign in. After successfully sign up and sign in. Sign up and sign in. Okay. After successfully sign up and sign in, you can able to landing under this dashboard. Services. Click on EC2. Click on EC2. Launch instances is nothing but a server. And choose an AMI. Let us go for Windows or Ubuntu or Red Hat, whatever may be one. But I'm going to be choosing for today Ubuntu 16 server. It's an operating system. It's an operating system, guys. It's an operating system. Then, so I'm going to be choosing 1 core CPU, 1 GB RAM, 32 micro. It is nothing but instance type. So configure. So that means I'm going to be creating one server only at a time, but I can able to create n number of servers. N number of servers. We can able to create at a time multiple servers also. But let me create for right now 2 servers. But these two servers on a default network. Whenever I sign up AWS account, automatically, so one default network is available. Please we use that. On default network, we're going to be choosing 2A data center. These data centers are available where exactly? In Oregon region. One of the Oregon region, please. I choose it. On top of it, I'm going to be choosing 2A data center. Is nothing but available to choose. Then I have chosen so 8 GB hard disk and let it be name it as a web server. My web server. Let it be name it as a web server. That's it. Then I'm going to be giving a security. Who can access? Who cannot access? We're going to be giving a security. SSH in sensor word secure shell. We can able to log in from one Linux machine to another Linux machine. And I'm going to be adding one more rule called HTTP. By helping of HTTP, we can able to access web server over an internet. Over a internet. That's it. So anywhere, anywhere. Review, launch with an existing PEM file. Or else we can able to create new PEM file, new key pair, or else we can able to use an existing key pair. So one key pair or one PEM file, we can able to assigning into the multiple instances. If you lose this PEM file, that means you're going to be losing a server. Please. If you lose this PEM file, that means you're going to be losing a server. That is means you should be secure PEM file. Launch instance, launch server in the AWS by helping of these are all the details. Have you successfully launched these 2 instances or not? How many instances launching, please tell me? 2. At a time, I'm launching 2 instances. Understood, everybody, please. Understood, everybody, please. Veera, Kaj, Ganesh, Mohammed, Pranay, Sampath, Himachal, Srinivas K. Cleared all of you. Cleared. So, but how can you able to getting into that? By helping of Git bash. By helping of Git bash. Git bash is nothing but what exactly Linux kernel. We are providing a Linux interface. That's it. Nothing else is there. By helping of this Linux interface or terminal, by helping of the Git bash, we can able to getting into that. How can I please? Where exactly are downloaded? Where exactly download a PEM file? Where exactly download a PEM file? Choose the particular server. Choose a particular server and click on connect and copy this SSH command. Where exactly the PEM file? Just right click with bash and please be pasted. and please be pasted. That's it. And we have successfully getting into this instance. Yes, obviously. Sudo -i, and sudo - is nothing but what? We are switching from normal user to root user. Root is an administrator. If you want to perform any installation, we should do it by only administrator. It's nothing but a root. And for every new server, we need to execute. Please write down this command: apt-get update. That means what exactly? The default software will be downloading from internet to into the server. Fine, perfect. And we can able to install the software. Any software. I'm going to be installing apt-get, or else I'm going to be installing git, tree, wget, anything. But as of now, Apache. S2 control. S2 control. So have you successfully installed? Have you successfully installed or not? Yes. Let me verify. Yes, in Act2. It is successfully installed. But shall we try to access over internet or not? Yes, obviously. Each and every server has a public IP. By helping of this public IP, we can able to access over an internet. So please write the same page whether we can able to access or not. Please see all of you. By typing this an IP in the browser, you can able to access the same page. Please write 52.24.116.2. The same page. Public access. Anybody can access over an internet from anywhere in the world. Got it? Very clear. Understood. So today, have you successfully created an account or not? We have successfully created a server or not? Yes. We have successfully getting into the instance by helping of git bash or not? And have you installing software or not? Clear? All of it, please. That's what exactly. Okay. So listen very carefully, all of you. All of you, please. So in AWS, totally we're going to be discussing about 4 modules. The first module is EC2. The second module S3 IAM. Modules. Each and every module will take more than weeks. Sampath, please wait. Let me complete my end. VPC and RDS. Totally 4 modules we're going to be discussing. Got it very clearly, all of you. Okay. Then. Fine. So what exactly, which is the content, what are the content comes under, what are the topics we cover comes under EC2, what are the topics we comes under S3 IAM, which are the topics we're going to be discussing VPC, RDS. Please visit my content. The content is already I shared, please. So in the Google Drive, please, in the Google Drive, you can able to access. So for example, let me show you how to access my content. See, this is a content, AWS content. So by helping of this AWS account creation, server creation, Git-bash installation, an example how to create a server. So I keep here everything. Please go through this and you can able to do it. If any doubts, we can able to discuss in the next session. Don't know. Let me open the content once. Sampath, please wait. Yeah, see this content, okay? Please see this content once. These are all the topics we cover. Okay, please look at this screen. Look at this document once. Fine, perfect. Okay. So our classes are Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday. The timing is from Monday. And Monday onwards, please. 6 AM to 7 AM. 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Got it very clear, Lala. 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. from Monday. From Monday. There is no class on tomorrow. Tomorrow is a holiday. Sunday is a holiday. From Monday. With new link. The link will be changed, please. With new link. The link will be changed and it will be forwarded by our admins. Okay. And one more important point. Who are all registered? Who are all registered? I'm going to be sharing recorded videos through email. I'm going to be sharing through Google Drive, recorded each and every day. I'm going to be sharing recorded videos, please. Recorded videos. That is the reason, please. You should be registered with our admin. By registering itself, I can able to get your email address. Then I can able to share each and every recorded session. Around maybe 40 days plus. 40 days plus. But that's what exactly. Sampath, any questions, please? Sampath, do you want to talk to me or else? Sampath, who want to talk to Sampath? Any question, please? Sampath, yeah. Do you want to talk to me, Sampath? So can we get all these whole presentation documents? Nothing. It's these presentations for explanation purpose. Okay, don't worry. Sampath, do you want to talk to me? Please tell me something.
Yes, sir. Good morning. So I just wanted to summarize the understanding, like what are all the topics that I have covered today. So this is regarding this Ec2. Okay. So is it like my understanding is we are creating a server and we are installing the OS. Is that something similar to that, sir?
Yeah, exactly that. But OS we didn't install. OS is inbuilt.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, well, let us
So
assume we got a laptop. We installing some,
yeah.
some software in your laptop. Okay,
Yes.
OS
Yes.
is
So
inbuilt. After
yes.
getting a
Yes.
server, we have some softwares. Yeah. Please continue.
Okay. Okay. So in EC2 we are installing Ubuntu OS. Okay. Then will that server or will that instance acts like a normal laptop or a normal PC,
Yes.
something like that,
Yes.
right? We can store anything there.
Yes. Ubuntu is one of operating systems like Windows. How exactly Windows 7, Windows 10. The same way Ubuntu is one of operating system. Red Hat, CentOS, Windows Server, one of the operating system. I chosen one of the operating system. Maybe tomorrow Red Hat, maybe Windows also something. Windows servers also.
Sir,
The
for
same way, tomorrow we'll start on Monday. One more thing, please, somebody please wait.
Yeah.
All of you please listen. From Monday, not exactly, it will be plus, that's what place. 4 or 5 days plus or minus. Ganesh, that's what place. So from Monday onwards, we'll start EC2. We'll start from Monday. We'll start EC2 model. We'll start from EC2. Fine. So one more question. Sampath, do you have any other questions, please, Sampath?
No, sir. Let us continue on Monday so that I hope I will be getting a clear, brief explanation about EC2 on Monday.
Okay. So we'll do so many things. See here. So once you do this content, I shared already Google Drive. Look at this Google Drive. Today class was already there, please. But recordings will be each and every recorded will be forwarded on like this. Okay. So
okay, sir.
One more. Okay. 1 second. Ganesh, not exactly plus or minus. Pranay, I think lending a OS, not installing. No, we're getting a OS, then on top of it, we're installing a software. We're getting a OS, Ubuntu OS. On top of it, we're installing software. Either maybe Ubuntu, Git, whatever, like your Chrome, like your Microsoft documentation, so VirtualBox, how exactly we're installing in Windows machine, the same way on top of Ubuntu, we can able to any installation. Yes. And Srinivas, is this course related with, relevant to the developer or architect? So architect level, please, Srinivas. Not development, please. Not developer level, please. Yes. So Kaza, you want to Kaza talk to me, please, 1 second, please. I will unmute you, can able to talk to me. Srinivas B. You clarified Srinivas B? Srinivas. Kaza, can you talk to me?
Yeah, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
I done today only. Can I continue in this batch?
Can you repeat the question one more time?
I done today only. Can I continue in this batch or?
You can continue. Today is the first class, Kaja. Yesterday we conducted demo. Today is introduction class. Actually on Monday onwards module. First module will be start from Monday at 6.
Can I have this video, sir? I can go through these 2 days.
That's what I shared. That's what this link. Please look at this. Google Drive. It's today's session also recorded. How to create an AWS account. Everything is there. Please go through this document.
Can you ping that link, sir?
Yeah, shared already. 1 second. I'll do it one more time. Please take it. Just double click on it. It will be open. Or I'll copy paste in any browser.
Yeah.
It is public. Anybody can access it.
I have.
You can continue. This is the first class one. So on
Okay,
Monday,
this is the first class, right?
one more important. Monday will start EC2 model, first class. Okay. And from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. So with new link, and link will be changed. Please get it from our admin.
Okay.
So for sharing videos,
my doubt is this first class or 2 classes are over?
One class only, one demo session.
Okay. Can I get the demo session videos as well, sir?
1 second, please. 1 second. Demo sessions, 1 second. Do you want demo session video? No? 1 second. 1 second, please. Hold on the line, please. Please hold on the line.
Sure.
Is my screen is visualizing? Is my screen is visualizing?
Yeah, I can see the screen, but nothing is there. Only
Blank. Okay. That's what.
yeah.
Please hold. All of it, please wait. All of it, please wait. Okay. I think we don't have demo link. Please. I think so. Maybe. No, sorry, Kaza. I don't have the demo link as of now. So,
Okay.
thing will do. We have DevOps link. That's what. It won't be help you. It may confuse if you forward it. Fine. One thing is, please. I will share tomorrow Monday session. Please ask me on Monday. I'll create a link and I will forward you on Monday.
Okay,
Kaza, please
sure.
ask Monday. I will definitely share a demo link. But please be content. Or else, one thing we'll do. One thing, Kaza.
Yes, sir.
So, which I shared, this shared Google Drive, please visit this today evening after 4 o'clock. I will share. I'll upload here demo link here, demo video.
Oh, sure.
Okay, same link. Please try to visit the same link. Here is account creation videos there. AWS account create and server creation videos there. I'll upload a demo link also. Demo video.
Okay.
Please visit it after evening 5 o'clock.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Fine. I'll do that. Then any other question, please, all of you. Any other question, please, all of you. Do you have any questions? I can. Fine. Thank you guys. So we'll meet on Monday. We'll meet on Monday, please. We'll meet on Monday exactly 6 a.m. with new link. Monday 6 a.m. with new link. So get it linked from our admin. Thanks a lot. I love you. Bye bye. Have a nice weekend. Thank you all of you. Thank you all of you.